In this video, we are going to discuss about logic gates and truth table. So always remember one thing: digital means it will deals with only binary numbers. So binary numbers are like 0 and 1 only. So now digital means it will deals with only 0 and 1s. So logic gates means, so whatever symbols you are seeing, that these are the logic gates. And truth tables means whatever the tables you are seeing, this is known as the truth tables. I hope our title is clear to you. Now let us see about the logic gates. Okay, now we have few logic gates and along with truth tables here. Now yes means whatever the input, when you give the 0, directly it will come as 0. Okay, when you give the 1, it will come as 1. So this is the truth table. Okay, again this is the symbol of S. Now for the S, the opposite is no or not. Also this is called as complementary or invert. Okay, so these are also called complementary or invert. So this is a symbol is like when you add a bubble to it, it gives as a not or okay invert. So this is a symbol for not gate, and this is a truth table. When you give 0, then we will get to the 0, right? So 0 0, like when you get the input as 0, output as 0, 1 as 1. Here opposite. Okay, when you give the 0, we will get 1. When you give the 1, we will get the 0. Okay, so here when you give the 1, we will get the 0, and when you give the 0, we will get the 1. This is the theory behind this. Okay, now let us move to the some advanced topics. We have NAND or XOR. Okay, NAND it takes minimum 2 inputs. Okay, like A and B. You can use multiples also. Okay, you can use multiple inputs. As of now, to avoid complexity, we are taking only 2 inputs, A and B, and output. Okay, and means and or I will explain right now. Okay, suppose if you take some work, okay, mandatory. Okay, mandatory, like me and you. Okay, let it, this is the truth table. For the and, it is like me and you is mandatory. Okay, me and you is mandatory means, so for the work it is like a multiplication. Okay, so when you and me will present, the work will success. And or means me or you. Okay, any one of we present means the work will success. Both will present means the work will success. Okay, the mandatory means you and me is like multiplication. 1 and 1 will be the 1, right? And 0 plus 1 will be the 1, or 1 plus 1, here 2 but also a 1. Okay, consider it as a 1. So this is like a plus. Okay, now and means it is like a multiplication or dot. Okay, or means it is like a plus. Now 0 into 0, 0, and 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, this is the important. Same way, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 also the 1. Okay, right now I explained to you, right? So the work will forward, nothing but. Now XOR is something of different category. When the two opposites is there, then the 1 will present. Okay, when two same inputs will there means it is a 0. See, when two same inputs there means it is 0. When two opposites there means it will be the 1. Okay, two opposites will results the 1. Two same will results 0. nothing but here the logic is, so this is a symbol, okay, you need to remember the symbol. Here the formula which applies like a, this is the thing, okay, this is the end equation. When we explore this, this is like ab complex plus a complex b, okay, or like a dash b, nothing but. See, here the output is a dash, okay, this is the NOT symbol, okay, a dash, okay, or a complement, anything you can use, or a NOT, okay, a into b dash plus a dash into b, okay. I explain with one thing, like same things, right, like 1 b dash means here take this thing, okay, b dash means it is like 1, right, b 0 opposite will be the 1, and a dash will be the here 0, okay, and here it is the 0, so finally the result will be the 1, right. So this is how the thing will work. So this is a simple equation, simple thing, okay. After calculating all this, we find this thing, like when two opposite inputs will there, then we will get the 1. When two same inputs will there, we will get the 0, okay. Now based on this, to these opposites we will get the NAND, NOR, XOR, okay. Now this is like NAND means it is a combination of NOT plus AND, okay, means dot bar, okay. NOR means it is a combination of NOT plus like OR, okay, it is like plus bar, and same way it is a combination, it is opposite to XOR plus NOT, okay. Now first you need to find this to the opposites, these things, okay. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, and 0 bar, this is like 1, okay, like ab into bar, and 1 into 0 which is like the 0, 0 bar which is like 1, 0 bar which is like 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 bar which is like 0, okay. Same way 0 plus 0 which is 0 but opposite is 1, 1 plus 0, okay, opposite to these things simply, and XOR is opposite to this. Here same thing, it's like two opposites will result 0 here, two same inputs will result 1, okay. See, two opposites, like two opposites will result 0, two sames will give 1s, nothing but complement of this, okay. So this is all about the digital logic gates and truth tables. You need to keep this thing in your mind, so take a screenshot or note this thing in your book, okay. So click a screenshot like this, okay. I hope you got the idea on this. If you learnt anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching.